I was asked to explain what I mean when I say that a group has two eyes. I don't mean that it literally has two eyes on the board. I'm imagining a bunch of moves that could theoretically be played, but that have obvious responses. Here's the specific answer I'm talking about. But to make things simpler, I'm going to remove this half of the board. So this is the spot here that I'm talking about. So white has two eyes, here and here. Black has a lot of moves that they could play to attack this group. But assuming that white responds correctly to every move, there is no way that black could kill this group. This is what the final position would look like. This group clearly has two eyes, and this is what I'm imagining in my head when I say that a group has two eyes. So the next time you hear someone say that a group has two eyes, and you can't clearly see it, take that position and play it out. It's one of the most important things you can do to improve your Go knowledge. Another great way to improve your Go knowledge is to learn about shapes. Now, click on this video here to learn some of the basic shapes and how and when to use them.